Hi dear friends, welcome back to this channel. Today in this video I will show you how you can turn on flashlight when anyone call you. The flashlight will continue to blink until you will not pick up the call. So it looks very amazing. So without wasting time, let's start video. Before starting the process, if you did not subscribe our channel, please subscribe it. So firstly, open the setting and here you will see the options of accessibility, and then you will see advanced setting options. Click on it, and then you will see flash notification options. Click on it. So you can see camera flash notifications. So turn it on. So when you will turn it on, you can see your flash notification blink like this. It looks very amazing. So in this way you can turn on flash notifications when anyone call you. It blinks like this. So if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching.